Test footage? What do you need test footage for? This is the Overcompensator Model 69420 Revision 2. The look of the camera actually should speak for itself, honestly. Yeah. There's a buzzy thing up there. So the magical part about recording over SDI is that I get all of the microphones, even the shotgun microphone that I have hooked up. I don't need to record into the camera for that. I can just use the external recorder. And I can also turn the monitor around, although the hard drive's kind of hitting right up against the matte box. So, yeah, some design revisions are going to be necessary. Fucking planes. Now the only silly part about the monitoring solution that I have hooked up here is that I also kind of have to use it to check my settings, and I kind of can't use my settings during recording, so it all has to kind of be fixed, or I just have to memorize where everything is, because otherwise the picture looks like this. I'd rather we get a full picture. So, you know. Why yes, I did have fun at the Destruction Derby. Why do you ask?